Okay, my apologies for the delay in getting this to you, but real quick, I wanted to show you how to get to the restatement of torts. So we're on the beginning pages of Westlaw. Since the restatement is a secondary source, we click here, Secondary Sources. By type, Restatements and Principles of Law. Select that. Then on this left-hand side, as we mentioned in our virtual lectures, is a great resource to help you narrow down your searches. So narrow down publications. So already restatements is checked, but we specifically want torts. So click that box and click Apply Filters. And here we go, Restatement of the Law of Torts. And then specifically, you'd want to look at this Restatement of Torts second. This is what you'd want to select to do your searches in for attractive nuisance. All right, so hopefully that helps, and good luck with your research.